Alright, so hello everyone. Here's my week 2 reflection. So, first, I found fascinating how different traditional stories, for example, the Pangu in China to the Hopi in Arizona, all culture, try to explain where we came from. So, it shows how cultures worldwide have always been curious about the universe. That's my first learning so far, but this for the second. Learning about the Big Bang and how space, time, and energy began from almost nothing. It was actually really mind blowing for me, and especially that we can trace universe start to just 10 10 is to, I guess, negative 43rd power seconds after the bang. So 10 to the negative 43rd. Yeah, I hope I got that right. So, third is actually the role of the stars in making the universe more complex. Actually, stood out for me, and I didn't know that the heavier elements in, the stars like the iron, came from dying stars. They actually, when we try to reach the end years. So that means we're literally made from stardust. So, like I told from the first video that we made before, we're just little component in comparison with the whole universe. So the impact for me is that growing up, I mostly learned about the biblical version of creation. So it's about God. So hearing all these stories in the scientific explanation, and I really expanded my perspective. And actually, it didn't replace what I learned from my culture, but it gave me a deeper and more meaningful appreciation of how both science and storytelling try to answer some big questions. And in the future, I'm really curious about learning more in terms of the dark matter and the dark energy. So the fact that we only understand about 5% of the universe is kind of crazy and bizarre, and at the same time exciting for me. So I want to know what makes up the rest of it. So that's my reflection for today. Thank you.